Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 3, My Early Home, and we have completed its reading and vocabulary. Today we are going to start its exercise. This is page number 29 and the first one part is A part, that is comprehension. Students, it's very much important to give the answers of different questions about the reading so that it may be clear that how much you have understand the story. The first one part is answer the following questions. The first one question is, what did Black Beauty live on before he could eat grass? Now look here at page number 26. While I was young, I lived upon my mother's milk as I could not eat grass. So the answer of this question will be, he lived on his mother's milk before he could eat grass. Now look at B part. What happened once Black Beauty was old enough to eat grass? In the second paragraph of the story, you come to know that as soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. So this is the answer of this question. You will write the answer of B part. As soon as Black Beauty was old enough to eat grass, his mother used to go out to work in the daytime. Now look at C part. What advice did Black Beauty's mother give him? Students, as in page number 27, the second paragraph, we come to know that her mother gave the colt a lot of advices. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. Black Beauty's mother's advice was to grow up gentle and good and never learn bad ways. Now look at D part. What job does the master do? You will write the answer of this question as we have read in the story that the master lives in the countryside, keeps horses and goes to market. He is the owner of the farm. Now look at E part. What do we learn about Black Beauty's grandparents? Students, as you have learned that on page number 27 in the second paragraph, the writer tells us about that your grandfather won the cup 2 years at the Newmarket races. Your grandmother had a sweetest temper of any horse I ever knew. So you will write the answer of E part. Black Beauty's grandfather won the cup at the Newmarket races twice and his grandmother had a very sweet temper. Now look at F part. What did the master call Black Beauty and why? Look at page number 28. You come to know that here in the fourth line, here is mentioned that he would pat and stroke her and say, well, old Pat, and how is your little darky? I was a dull black, so he called me darky. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. The master called Black Beauty darky because he was a dull black color. Now look at G part. Who is old Daniel? As in the last one line, we come to know that old Daniel was the man who looked after the horses. So you will write the answer of this question. Old Daniel was the man who looked after horses. Now look here. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. H part. Why did the boy throw stones at the horses? You come to know from the story that the boy was a plowboy and sometimes came into our field to pluck blackberries from the hedge. I think so he just wanted to make fun by throwing stones and sticks at the horses. So we will write the answer of this question. The boy was bold and liked to have what he called fun by making the horses gallop. Now look at I part. Who was the boy and what happened to him when he was caught? We have read the whole description here in the second paragraph of page number 28. There was a plowboy whose name was Dick and who sometimes came into our field. And what happened to him when the master come to know? He just boxed on the ear as he made him roar with pain and surprise. Then he just fired him out from the farmhouse. So you will write the answer of this question. The boy worked on the farm as a plowboy. He gets caught by the master who hits him, shouts at him and dismisses him from his job. Now look at the second part. Who might have said the following? Students, you have read the whole story and I think so it's now not difficult for you to give the answers that who have said these words. A part, have a good day at work, Mum. You know that the mother was at work and Black Beauty is going to say that have a good day at work. B part, would you like some bread? So these words are said by the master. Would you like some bread? The answer is the master. C part, you are my favorite horse. You know that Black Beauty is the very favorite horse of the master. So these words are also said by the master. D part, that boy will never work here again. These are also the words of master because he dismisses that boy from the job. Now look at third part. Here is a line from the story. Think about it carefully, then answer the questions. When he had eaten all he wanted, he would have what he called fun with the colts. Now look at A part. Who are these words about? You know that these all words are about the Dick, who is the plowboy. So you will write the answer, Dick. Now look at B part. What has he been eating? You know that he was eating blackberries, so you will write the answer, blackberries. C part, what is his job? You know students that he was a plowboy, so you will write the answer, plowboy. Now look at D part. What does he do that he calls fun? You come to know that he throws sticks and stones at horses to make them gallop. These were all the things he called them fun. Now look at E part. Why is it not fun for the colts? It is not the fun for the colts because sometimes the stones hit them and hurt them. So these are all are the questions and answers of the whole exercise A part, and I think so this is quite clear to you. You have to learn this and do it as a homework. I think so it's all clear to you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.